absolutely great. So you may have already read by the title. I am on a road trip to Gujarat, and right now we are in Vadodara. So here, like giving you all a backstory, I am here with 30 more people, and all of them are my friends, and all of them wanted me to vlog. So here I am.
Continue. Continue.
Just a moment. आओ.
Hey guys, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, और यहाँ पे
ट्रिप हो रही है।
वेलकम टू भूमिका's vlog।
चलो चलो स्वागत है आप सबका व्लॉग। मैं घंटा
So as you guys saw, I am here with a bunch of friends, and right now we are in Vadodara. हम कल रात को 7 o'clock around निकले थे, and we are traveling since then, and we more have like 300 kilometers to go. So if someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Also, I don't know how long this video will be. Maybe there will be 2 parts, maybe there will be only this one. So make sure you watch this video till the end to see all the fun that we have in this trip. Actually, we did a trip 5 to 6 years ago together, and this is our second trip, so we all are excited. Riya is also there, Khushi is behind the camera, and I'll make you meet all the people as we move on to the video. So now without any further ado, let's dive into the vlog. Actually, I wanted to vlog yesterday. हम वडोदरा से निकले, मैं वहाँ पे बहुत ज़ोर से गिरी हुई, और we were in traveling for the whole day, so I couldn't vlog anything, and there was nothing to show you guys. We just came, we had our food. So it's the next day. It is 6:30 in the morning, and we have to climb. Like we are not going to climb the mountain, but there is a ropeway, so we are going to use that and go halfway, and then we'll see if we have some kind of energy left. We'll continue the rest of the things. So there are 3 temples here. One is the Amba Mata temple, one is the Neminath Bhagwan temple, which is one of our Jain saint, and the third one is Datta Guru's temple. So we all are excited. We are all dressed up, and this is my OOTD with some sneakers because trek hone wala hai, and I'll keep you guys updated with whatever happens. So let's go. So right now we are in the ropeway, and you may have like seen her in my videos already. She's Riya. She's Samiksha, Dolly Didi, Kumkum, Khushi, Disha and Shreya. Hi. Hello. And look at the view.
This is Bhumika. Please ignore.
This is Bhumika, yeah. And हम this is foreigner संकेत सोलेंगे.
खड़ी रहेगी तो नाम संग चल रहा है.
हो रुक आराम से आ जाओ. एनर्जी आयो रे. ए दर्शक
मंदिर आयो रे. घर खुशियाँ लायो रे.
आयो रे अरे गिरनार जी आयो रे. घर खुशियाँ लायो रे. आयो रे.
Hi.
10,000 बोल देना.
Total 10,000. हाँ. 200. So right now ये कंटिन्यू पेंडिंग है. हमारे हालत से देख सकते हो आप कि हम लोगों ने almost 5,000 steps complete की है. Total it's I guess 11,000 and halfway we came through ropeway and now we are on our way to what? No, to where we started. ropeway के लोकेशन पे जा रहे हैं. Hi.
Hi.
Bye Raj.
Bye.
Hi Hitesh.
Hi.
Lardik. Bye.
Hi. लगता है कि धरती पर खुदा चल कर के आया है. मिले जो तुम हमें गुरुवर कि हमने सब कुछ पाया है. यूं लगता है कि धरती पर खुदा चल.
So finally we are back to where we started. We went उधर ऊपर और उसके पीछे भी एक और माउंटेन था. So if you ever visit Gujarat, then do come to Girnar Ji. Like if you love trekking, then it is fun. And actually हाँ हमको ऐसे trekking का as such ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but we were so many people, so we enjoyed and overall experience was nice. Tomorrow we have one more similar trek. We have like almost 10,000 stairs and we have to climb that. So I don't know if I'll continue it in this vlog or in the other one. But how was your experience for today?
एक नंबर.
Actually, it was fun. So now I'll catch now. So now we are going.
चुकी है लेकिन बहुत मजा आया.
हाँ, बहुत हालत खराब हो गई. मतलब हम लोगों को मेरे को ज्यादा व्लॉग करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिला क्योंकि इतनी ज्यादा हालत खराब थी. बट now we are back and now we'll have lunch.
See you guys
so, bye.
later.
भूखे लोग क्यों रखी हमें हालत खराब है. Hi everyone, sorry to pop up on the screen like this, but I just wanted to come here and give you guys the backstory of गिरनारजी. So the thing that you saw अभी तक गिरनारजी वाला part अब खत्म होने वाला है. We enjoyed this part of the trip. First day था, बहुत enjoy किया, बहुत energy level next level ही था तब. And we like had the बेस्ट टाइम. फर्स्ट टाइम था गिरनारजी जाना तो हम लोग एक्साइटेड भी थे. एंड हम लोगों को लगा नहीं था कि हम लोग जो दत्ता मंदिर वाला पार्ट है वो करेंगे बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी लाइक नॉट द नॉर्मल वन. नॉर्मली कैसे रहता है, चढ़ते एंड देन वी जस्ट गेट डाउन फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. बट दिस वॉज लाइक चढ़ो उतरो. तो बहुत हालत खराब भी हो गई थी. एंड नाउ द पालिताना पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग विल स्टार्ट. गिरनारजी से वी केम बैक, वी हैड आवर लंच एंड देन वी लेफ्ट. हम लोग कितने 1-2 बजे तक आ गए थे नीचे एंड देन वी लेफ्ट अराउंड 4 फॉर पालिताना एंड दैट वाज 150 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम द प्लेस जूनागढ़. सो नाउ द पालिताना व्लॉग विल स्टार्ट. एंड पालिताना में भी मैं इतना कुछ व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि सेम ट्रेकिंग पार्ट था. वी हैड टू क्लाइंब प्लस वी वेर बेयर फुटेड. हम लोग पूरा बिना चप्पल का चढ़े तो बहुत हालत उसमें भी खराब हुई थी. एंड बट ओवरऑल इट वॉज ऑल फन, इट वॉज ऑल वर्थ इट. नाउ आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू ब्लैबर मच एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द पालिताना पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग. Hello guys, good morning. So it's day 4 today and right now we are in Palitana. Yesterday I ended the vlog when we were at गिरनारजी. उसके बाद हमने खाना खाया और सब हालत सबकी पूरी टाइट थी. और whatever is today's plan, now she'll talk with you.
So today we are at Palitana.
And what is Palitana?
Palitana is a
Jain Kshetra. It is a holy Jain holy place. And we all are dressed in white. This is our OOTD. Everyone is standing there. And behind the camera is Khushi. I hope you can hear our voice. सबका बहुत गजपज चल रहा है. I'll try to vlog as much as I can and that's it. Thank you.
कितने स्टेप्स चढ़ने वाले हो?
हाँ,
वो तो बताओ.
8 to 10,000.
yeah maybe.
कल कितनी चढ़ी थी?
और कल हमने 80
Steps तो more than 20,000 था.
हाँ मतलब इन जनरल हम 2 दिन में अराउंड 20,000 स्टेप्स चलने वाले, लाइक चढ़ने वाले हैं, नॉट
स्टेयर के.
Okay. So today it's 10,000 and yesterday it was
6,000.
7,500. So total it's almost 70,000. And this is the view. We are staying at the Jain Dharmashala. This is the Jain temple. And आपला वो डोंगर चढ़ना है कि?
हाँ, yes.
Okay. So we have to climb that mountain and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get
We have to get
started. I'm already so tired. We have just crossed like 30% of steps and हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई है. सब लोग नीचे रुके हैं, आधे ऊपर है. So I hope जल्दी से जल्दी हम ऊपर पहुंच जाए। सबकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है। यू कैन सी माई फेस, आई एम कम्प्लीटली स्वेटिंग। हमारा सहारा, लेट्स गो। Hello guys, so right now it's 1 o'clock and you may have seen हम लोग वो पूरा चढ़े, बहुत भयंकर हालत ख़राब हो गई थी। अब तो पैर पूरे काम से गए and I'm sorry I look so exhausted because I'm just on like 2-3 hours of sleep and but it was all worth it. Like we climbed that mountain and I swear it was so beautiful. हम लोग पूरा clouds के अंदर थे and this is a Jain Tirtha Kshetra. It is very famous, named Palitana, and now right now we'll go to the market, we'll shop something if we get anything and then we'll leave. So I don't know if I'll vlog it or not. If I vlog then I'll definitely add it here like further. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And part 2 of this vlog is coming up soon, so stay tuned. Bye. Raj. Hi. Rickshaw ride in Palitana. सगळ्यात गंदा एंगल में आयला है ना. मैं पण. हम अभी शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं. अबे sorry for the bad angle, but we are going to shop and I hope we get something. और हम जल्दी जल्दी आए, हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 घंटे. So time starts now.